If you're part of our Smart Jobs beta, we've introduced a new feature that makes it faster to add commonly used jobs to your repair orders. At the top of the Estimate tab, you will now have the ability to assign up to 4 favorite jobs. Think of these as quick actions, so instead of having to manually search for jobs, you can add them with the click of a button. To add a favorite job, all you need to do is click the Add Favorite button. This will open up a list of Smart Jobs and Smart Can jobs that you can add as favorites. Marking a job as favorite is done by hovering over a job and toggling the favorite icon on. You can now see that we've got a few favorites added. You can easily remove a favorite by deselecting this icon. You can also edit a favorite in the Favorites tab. Here, you can reorder by clicking and dragging the jobs, or remove them by deselecting the favorite icon. Now that we've set up a few favorites, we can go ahead and close this window. You'll now see all the favorites at the top of your repair orders. Thanks for watching, and we invite you to let us know what you think of favorites in the feedback section of Smart Jobs.